welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Dwayne now. He's always sharing these tapes, and there's always something, or someone talking about something. So, just go and listen to the tape and see what he has to say. And remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment your honest opinion on this video, and let us know how you feel about it. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Joyful and triumphant day.
Right? Then I jump up and I laugh and I carry on. I was like, is this for real?
Just see a drunk, that's for sure you say, you know, grow with no mother love.
So me say them I do Anna, so then suppose one day if you come out and say, boy, my relationship it didn't work. Lord Jesus, what you that's it tambourine.
You know the worst part? You know when we respect Anna for? You know when we respect Anna for? Because as much as my feel say Anna she too in the scamming, but me not gonna touch that right now. You know when we respect Anna for? I respect Anna for the fact that she never lower herself to that drunkard level. You hear me tell you? When a grown ass man, that's why I say when me hear Marcia come out and ask this and say to this drunkard, show me a rent receipt. Show me a bathroom in your house. Show me a job, show me a pay slip. Then you can't talk to me. And Marcia was 100% right. And these women, because a woman you see sit down underneath them man here, I cheer them on. And I talk about it. And you know the worst part of it? You know the worst part of it for me? Let me tell you the worst part of it for me. Because you see me, it's when it comes to God, and you see when it comes to certain things, I don't play. I don't play because my grandmother teach me years ago, you don't play with God. God must not knock them out. You see when them come out and they make this so-called peace treaty, and at the same time, this drunk girl who come out and act like he's a changed person. He's a changed person for people like Miss Lothian and Donna and them people. But at the same time, he's going to take a Tina Chin, he's going to take a Lorraine, he's going to take a Marcia, and he's going to take a Anna, and he's going to try to undermine these people. What kind of drunk are you? Do you have a wife? Are you married?
You know, that man is the same way the man lie down in him.
Do you have a sustainable relationship? Look at Marcia. Marcia could have been this drunk mother. And this drunk for no reason at all, because I'm sure Marcia not doing nothing. Except Marcia and Dana have issues. And this drunk this peace treaty only go for Dana and Dana Confederates. And Dana don't have the decency, even though I don't expect it from her. But this is what I'm going to show to people. If Dana was somebody of class and character, when Dana come out and a big up our co-worker, Dana would have come out on our platform and say, my co-worker, these women you're attacking, stop it. Even if them attack me, leave them to God. It's not your place to come out and attack them. Has she said anything? Not a word. But then when she done know, she wants to know.
She tell about she like him and she da watch him and Ashanti and
when she done,
that germs.
She wants to sit down on Fear Live and play a victim and talk about greyback woman in a phone and Ray. Dana, you can't call nobody greyback woman in a phone because you don't know if your back is where your front should be or your front is where your back should be. Right? I see me telling her all the while, you know. I don't really like disrespect women, you know, because you see, as a woman, I don't like to disrespect women. But you see, when some woman comes some certain way, you have to go down to them level. Because you know why you have to go down to them level. You see, if you speak to them on your level, them can't understand because they're not deep on your level. So you have to go down to them level and make them understand. And these are the things I'm talking about. Dana, you're a drunk crow. You're a drunk crow. Because let us say it for the sake of speaking, because God speaks about love. Let us say you find love in your heart, and you find peace in your heart, and you say you forgive Ashanti. As a mother, because you have kids, you have 2 daughters. As a mother, when you hear this drunkard go on the platform as your co-worker and him dip up on the Tina, and him dip up on the Lorraine, and him dip up on the Marcia, and him dip up on the Anna, it never occurred to you to even take up the phone and call your co-worker and say, no, stop it, it don't look good. No, you're not gonna do it because you feel that people have talked about your dirtiness where you are do. So him have all right. But let me tell you, I'm gonna tell you this, Donna. You see Anna, you see Marcia, you see Lorraine, you see Tina, you will never be on their level. Never. This is why you fight Tina over cake. Imagine this now. Look how stupid this is. Cake of all things, people have cake war. Jamaicans up on social media with cake war. So people have here to review. What kind of madness is this? If me go and shop right and me buy a cake, and then me go and shop and stop and buy a cake, and the cake from shop and stop tastes better to me than the cake from shop right, what do? When I want a cake, I go and stop and shop and go buy my cake. Me not have to come publicly, come disgrace stop and shop. Me shop right? No. Because at the end of the day, everybody's taste buds is different. Right? When the drunk or them have to come out, every time Christmas is coming up and these things is come out, them come up after Tina. And what these drunkards don't realize, Dana cannot be compared to Tina, because you see, when it comes to Tina business, Tina is doing everything by the book. Because Tina can't in America and have be a cake and do foolishness. While the drunker when he and Dana they are Jamaica do foolishness. And when I don't have a talk about a cake review, what the hell do I want cake review for? Everybody taste buds is going to be different. Buy the cake from who you want, buy it from. And stop on the foolishness. If you don't want to buy cake from Tina, buy from Tina. If you don't want to buy the rock bun from Dana, buy the rock bun from Dana and shut on the nastiness.
Lord God.
I see some little people, I see this little boy, you know. I see this little boy, you know. And I say, you know, no other thing that grieve me, you know. I see this little boy, you know. Them 2 little boys that would go at Dana here at the time, you know. And then come out, them never taste Tina cake, you know. And then come out as 2 little boy.
True.
2 little people.
True.
Who's supposed to take them book? Who's supposed to take them book?
Hold on 1 minute there, Michelle. Go ahead, Bob.
Give me 1 minute, my sister. Somebody say there's a Tina post that I came back in 2018. Then 99 years idolized Tina Chin, you know. Tina Chin was an idol, you know. Tina Chin was somebody where to my understanding, 99 years reach out to, you know.